Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you've had your eye on a Microsoft Surface Pro tablet, I want to share with you some really cool features and why it's the ultimate productivity assistant. This is the Pro 5, and I have to say the number one thing about it that sticks out to me is how sleek it is. It does so much, but it is really nice and thin and easy to travel with. This is my husband's, and he really loves it for productivity. He really appreciates that it has the webcam, that it has a little kickstand, so it's nice and easy to use on your desk or wherever you need to use it. It also has the capability to work with the pen, which of course is a really exciting feature. It has that little magnetic hold on the side, and that pen writes so nice on the screen. He's able to jot notes down easily. It also has the ability to work with the Microsoft keyboard, which just snaps right in. So all around, this is such a great companion for staying productive and switching back and forth between tasks depending on what you need. This Microsoft Surface Pro tablet is a great option to help with productivity, and we think that you are going to be really happy with it, but that's just our point of view.